Hello, and welcome to Great Garden Channel. Is your Zamioculcas plant looking weak with thin stems, yellow leaves, and no new shoots? In today's video, I'll share a simple recipe made from ingredients that many people usually throw away after use. This easy homemade solution can help supplement nutrients and support your plant's recovery and healthy growth. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you won't miss more helpful plant care tips. Let's get started. First, before preparing this fertilizer, remove all wilted yellow, crushed, or damaged leaves from the plant. This step allows the plant to direct its energy toward healthy growth, helps reduce the risk of fungal diseases spreading, and prepares the plant to absorb nutrients more efficiently during the following care steps. Next, water the plant with just enough clean water to evenly moisten the entire growing medium and root system. There's no need to overwater, simply make sure the water reaches the root zone evenly. This initial watering helps rinse away some accumulated dust, mineral salts, and fertilizer residues left from previous applications. At the same time, a properly hydrated root system is able to absorb nutrients more efficiently during the next feeding, reducing the risk of root burn or fertilizer shock. Although simple, this is a very important step, especially for plants that have recently been repotted, pruned, or are recovering from stress. Now it's time for the most important step. Do you eat bananas? After eating one, do you usually throw the peel straight into the trash? Don't throw it away just yet, because today I'll show you how to put it to good use for your plants. First, prepare a clean cutting board and knife. Cut the banana peel into small pieces, just as shown in the video. Cutting it into smaller pieces increases the surface area exposed to water, allowing the soluble compounds inside the peel to be extracted more quickly and efficiently. Banana peels contain potassium, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and a variety of naturally occurring organic compounds. When prepared and used correctly, a banana peel solution can supply additional nutrients to the growing medium, support root development, encourage healthy green foliage, and create favorable conditions for plant growth. Place all of the chopped banana peels into a clean glass. The next ingredient is tea bags. Tea bags are a common household item and contain organic compounds, tannins, and small amounts of naturally occurring minerals. Open 2 tea bags and add all of the tea leaves to the glass containing the banana peels. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Then pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the glass to help dissolve the natural compounds and some of the minerals from the tea more quickly. Finally, cover the container and let the mixture steep for 30 to 60 minutes, allowing both the tea and banana peels to release their beneficial compounds before use. After 30 to 60 minutes, remove the tea bags from the glass. Don't throw away the used tea leaves. We'll use them later. Next, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to remove all of the banana peel solids, keeping only the clear liquid. Straining produces a cleaner, more uniform solution with no remaining particles, helping prevent clogged spray bottles or residue on the surface of the growing medium. It also makes the solution easier to store, easier to use, and allows it to be distributed more evenly when watering or spraying plants. Now we have our banana peel and tea extract. Add 1 liter of clean water to the solution. Diluting the solution reduces its concentration, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more gradually. Now, the nutrient solution is ready to use on your Zamioculcas plant. Method 1. Wiping the leaves. Dip a soft cloth or cotton pad into the diluted banana peel and tea solution. Gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of every leaf on the Zamioculcas plant. Regular leaf cleaning removes dust, residue, and other particles from the leaf surface, allowing better airflow while supporting efficient photosynthesis and gas exchange. In addition, a small amount of the dissolved organic compounds from the banana peel and tea solution remains on the leaf surface, helping support healthy plant growth when combined with proper overall care. Wipe the leaves once a week, preferably early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Always wipe gently to avoid scratching the leaf surface, and avoid cleaning the leaves during intense sunlight. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any Zamioculcas plant care tips. Method 2. Watering around the base. Pour the diluted banana peel and tea solution into a watering can. Gently water around the base of the Zamioculcas plant, avoiding pouring too much into one spot so the solution spreads evenly throughout the root zone. Proper watering allows the growing medium to absorb nutrients gradually, giving the roots access to some of the organic compounds and minerals contained in the solution. When combined with proper plant care, this banana peel and tea solution can help support healthy root development, encouraging glossy green leaves, thicker stems, and steady growth. Only when the growing medium has begun to dry slightly, preferably early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Use only enough solution to moisten the root zone and avoid leaving standing water in the pot, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot. Method 3. Misting the plant. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle. Lightly mist the leaves, stems, and any exposed roots of the Zamioculcas plant. Apply only a fine mist rather than soaking the entire plant. Mist the plant once a week, preferably in the early morning or late afternoon, so it has plenty of time to dry naturally. Avoid spraying during intense sunlight or at night, as prolonged moisture may encourage fungal problems. The banana peel and tea solution provides small amounts of naturally occurring organic compounds and minerals while helping keep the leaf surfaces clean, maintaining glossy foliage and supporting healthy growth when used as part of a balanced care routine. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Zamioculcas plant, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your Zamioculcas plant will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 4. Reusing the tea leaves. Did you save the used tea leaves? Don't throw them away. Dry the used tea leaves completely. Drying removes excess moisture, helping prevent mold, unpleasant odors, and insects during storage. Dried tea leaves are also much easier to store and mix with growing media or compost. Once completely dry, remove the outer tea bag material and sprinkle a small amount of the tea leaves over the surface of the growing medium. Sprinkling only a thin layer helps distribute the dried tea leaves more evenly across the surface of the growing medium, preventing excessive buildup in one area that could create uneven moisture levels. In addition, as the dried tea leaves come into contact with the top layer of the growing medium, they help improve surface aeration, reducing compaction that can occur over time with regular watering. Then gently loosen the top layer of soil to mix them in. As the tea leaves naturally decompose, they contribute additional organic matter and help improve the structure of the growing medium. Apply this method only once every 3 to 4 weeks to avoid keeping the growing medium excessively moist. Pour any remaining solution into another clean spray bottle, seal it tightly, and store it in the refrigerator. This storage method saves both time and ingredients because you won't need to prepare a fresh batch every time you care for your plants. When properly stored, the solution can usually be used for 3 to 5 days. Whenever you need it, simply remove the solution from the refrigerator, allow it to return to room temperature, then continue watering or spraying your plants as usual. This approach is economical, convenient, and ensures you always have a nutrient solution ready for regular plant care without spending extra time preparing a new batch. Results. After 2 months of consistent care, you'll begin to notice obvious improvements in your Zamioculcas plant. The leaves become greener, thicker, and glossier, with clean surfaces full of vitality. A healthy root system develops steadily, allowing the plant to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. The stems become stronger and new shoots begin emerging, gradually developing into vigorous new branches. Your Zamioculcas plant will not only maintain its beautiful green appearance, but also become healthier overall, with fewer problems such as yellowing leaves or wilting caused by improper care. The best part is that you don't need expensive fertilizers. With simple ingredients like banana peels and tea bags, you can create an easy, budget-friendly plant care solution right at home. What do you think about this method? Share your results with Great Garden in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Great Garden, and share this video with other plant lovers so we can all enjoy growing healthier, more beautiful plants together. See you in the next video.